Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can stop spam comments on your WordPress website. See here, this is my website. Okay, first of all, this is a WordPress website. If you can see, this is the dashboard. There are 4 pending comments right now on my website, but before I applied one spam filtering plugin, there used to be hundreds of spam. Actually, I'll close this. Mine is a question and answer website. Okay, if someone clicks the question, there is the chance for them to even comment without registering on the site. So in such way, I used to receive hundreds of spam comments daily, where I need to enter into my dashboard, I need to click on these comments, and I need to click on and check each and every comment, and I used to select and delete. Then I installed a plugin here. See here, under plugins, I installed a plugin called forget spam comment. So you can install any plugin, but I just use this and this worked for me. Just wanted to share the experience. You can go to the plugins and add new plugin, and you can just, this is a not recommendation to install this, but you can just check, give it a try. See, this is the one I activated this, like since 4 years I'm using this plugin. There are other plugins also where you can just simply disable comments, formidable. Okay, disable everything. So but I personally like this plugin. Once I install this, uh, only the comments which are not spam are getting entering into the website or getting posted, or the accounts which are already signed in, which are registered with the website, are getting posted. And that too, these comments will stay under pending status only, means they won't be posted on the website directly. That is the plug. This is the theme level customization. Okay, anyway, lot of comments has been just filtered here. Yes, very much useful. You can just check here the pending ones, and now I can take the decision whether to approve or to delete. If I see unwanted links, I can just make them into trash. Okay, then eventually I can go to the trash and empty the trash. So yeah, in this way you can also make your WordPress website cleaner and without spam. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.